Hello, good morning, class. I am your teacher, Mark. Now, did you know the 5 C's of 21st century teacher? But before that, let's discuss the characteristic of 21st century teacher first. The characteristic of 21st century teachers are relationship builder, learner, inclusive, reflective, collaborative, innovator, leader, storyteller, designer, and artist. The 21st century teacher are able to adapt to whatever comes their way. Being a teacher in today's world means that you have to adapt to the ever-changing tools and changes that are implemented in schools. Smart boards are replacing chalkboards, and tablets are replacing textbooks, and a 21st century teacher needs to be okay with that. The 21st century teachers are lifelong learner. These educators don't just expect their student to be a lifelong learner, but they are as well they stay up to date with the current educational trends and technology and know how to tweak their old lesson plans from years before to make them more current. An effective 21st century teacher must be able to collaborate and work within a team. Over the past decades, these important skills are growing quite rapidly in schools. Learning is deemed to be more effective when you can share your ideas and knowledge with others. Sharing your expertise and experience and communicating and learning from others is important part of learning and teaching process. An effective 21st century educator thinks about their students' future and it is aware of the career opportunities that may arise for them. They are always planning to ensure that no child gets left behind, so they focus on preparing today's children for what to come in the future. They also advocate for their students. Today's classrooms are filled with children who need someone to look out for them, give them advice, encouragement, and listening ear. Effective teachers share their knowledge and expertise and act as a role model for their students. 21st century teaching means teaching as you have always taught but with today's tools and technology. It means utilizing everything that is important in today's world so that students will be able to live and prosper in today's economy. It's having the ability to guide students and to prepare them for the future. So, I am here to discuss the most important lesson for today. What are the 5 C's of 21st century teacher? Collaborate, critical thinking, communication, cooperation, and creativity. It can be argued that creativity lies at the heart of personalized learning. Encouraging differences and empowering innovation, students within learning environment are given the tools to be original and to use their innate curiosity and creativity. With the personalized resources that adaptive systems like Fish Trees have to offer, students can form their own path to success in a way that reflects their needs. Critical thinking. Through personalized learning path, students are urged to claim more ownership over their learning and thinking. Taking an active role in their education, students are awarded the freedom to learn at their own pace and their own ways. With a real-time view of their progress, self-assessment is openly encouraged as a way to reach the goals. Building on their ideas through collaboration, students incorporate social media to take their learning to the next level. Collaboration has been the focus of many 21st century instructional tools, with social media now taking an active role in collaborative learning. Real-time platforms have made it possible to expand the collaborative nature of learning for outside the classroom, offering students, parents, and administrators and educators to the real-time view of the progress of the students. Cooperation. More cooperative learning means more emphasis on cooperation. Encouraging positive use of social media to connect and learn, digital citizenship is brought to the fore. Within a safe online learning environment, students can engage with one another freely. As educators, receive a full view of all online activities to ensure safety cooperation at all times. Communication. Skills are more important than ever that social media unavoidably taking an active role in student development. With the help of the secure system that openly encourages peer-to-peer engagement in full view of the teachers while facilitating simple and regular communication. Using this, As a tool to bring communication to the fore in the whole aspect of learning, students can be taught the essentials of verbalizing their knowledge through open discussion and debate. By sharing and discussing in non-judgmental and open environments, communication skills begin to expand, planting the seed that brings us right back to creativity and critical thinking. I hope you learn a lot. Goodbye, class.